I'm Corey from RecPro. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install or replace the faucet in your bathroom. It's very quick and very simple to do. Tools that you might need include some pliers and some sealant, but that's about it. It should be a pretty quick and easy 5 to 10 minute install. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Undo the hot and cold water lines underneath the cabinet. Then remove the plastic nuts holding the faucet to the sink. Then you can remove the old faucet. To install a new faucet, it's essentially the same process, but in reverse. We'll insert the new faucet, we'll tighten down the plastic nuts, then we will attach the hot and cold water lines. Like I said, it's very quick and very easy to do, and you don't need very many tools to do it. If you like this video and you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer in the future, including more how-tos, installations, instructions, tips, and product videos, hit the like button and remember to subscribe as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.